Welcome to 3D Printer OS, the easiest way to manage your 3D printers across your organization. In this video, we will show you how to monitor your printers in real time and view a time-lapse of the print. The first thing we need to do is slice our file and send it to print. In this window, you are able to see a live view from your printer. You will receive an email when a print starts and ends. The second email will include your time-lapse video. Now, let's return to the live view. Go to the Printers tab and click on the camera icon next to the printer you want to monitor. If you have many machines and want to view all your printers in one place, we offer a special feature called the Live View Wall. With this feature, you can monitor hundreds of printers from any location using a single interface. Feel free to check out our channel for more videos about our platform. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.